Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making margaritas. That's right, we're not in Mexico, but we're gonna get that Mexico feeling. Since it's kind of winter blahs, we want to feel like Mexico. So we're gonna sip on some margaritas tonight, and we're gonna make a regular margarita with a salted rim glass, and we're gonna make a blackberry margarita with a sugar rim glass. Here's what you're gonna need to make these things. You're going to need your favorite tequila. I like the Kirkland Silver. You're going to need sweet and sour mix. You're going to need triple sec and sweetened lime juice. Let's get these made. Okay, we're going to start out with our tequila. 2 parts of tequila. So it's 2 parts. I'm using shot glasses, so these are normal size, but you make your 2 parts however big you want them. 2 parts of sweet sour, 1 part of triple sec, and 1 part sweetened lime juice. Then we're going to put our cap on. We're just going to give this a little shake and pour it into our salted rim glass. Look at that. Looks beautiful. And we're going to save the taste testing till the end. Alright, so our flavored margarita, what we're going to do is I already have 2 parts tequila, 2 parts sweet sour, 1 part triple sec, 1 part sweet and lime juice. Then we're going to make a blackberry. We're just going to use some blackberry preserves. And basically what I'm going to do is basically take about a heaping teaspoon. We're going to put it in with our mix. Now I have a couple ice cubes in here because I want this to mix up real well. We're going to put our lid on, and we're going to have to give this a good shake because we want the preserves to break up. Alright, see how that turned out? Oh, look at the difference in color. Look at all the blackberry pieces in there. And I have some fresh blackberries, so we're going to garnish these guys with a couple of fresh blackberries. Take a look at those. There's your margaritas. And as always, there's only one thing left to do. Let's taste these bad boys. So we got our regular with the salted rim. Wow. That feels like the sun shining on my back right there. And let's try this blackberry with the sugar rim. Wow. That's fantastic. Now, if you want to make yours flavored, use blackberry, use raspberry, use strawberry, peach, any flavor you want. Just get some regular fruity preserves and mix them in with your margarita. Flavor them any way you want. Thanks for watching this video. I appreciate you stopping by. Click that thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click that notification bell. You'll get notifications when you post new videos. Now, I appreciate you stopping. Have a great day. I'm gonna finish these up. See ya.